industry. Welcome. I'm Coach Mark Altagastas. I'm 23 years of age and one of the Live Good pillar. Okay, ibig sabihin, nasa first 2 years pa lang po tayo. Okay. And I'm also a professional network marketer, so I've been in this industry for quite a while na rin. And I'm also one of the DMW Speakers Bureau. So that means na kahit paano, isa tayo sa mga na-assign no, para yan, mag-share yan, and mag-inspire din. Yan, sa mga especially sa mga kagaya natin ng mga Gen Zs. Yan. And full-time na po ako dito sa company ito. I'm also the founder of my team, Zeal Empire. So shout out po sa ating grupo dyan. Ayan. And currently platinum rank. Right? But this presentation, it's not all about me. It's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin yan ma-attain through the help of this opportunity. Kaya again, tune in ka lang, don't tune out. Alright? So before we proceed, meron muna tayong disclaimer to set the right expectation. Okay? So disclaimer, this presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. It does not constitute legal, financial, or investment advice. All potential earnings mentioned are illustrative only and should not be considered typical. Your success in the business will be determined by your own efforts and the time you invest. In short, mag-research ka, right? Kasi wala po tayong in-advise dito, right? Na mag-invest ka, tapos kikita ka ng malaki agad. So wala pong ganyan, right? So this is a business, kaya yung ating result po dito ay magdedepende sa ating effort and time na invest dito. Alright? So, who is Live Good? Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. And Live Good is a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So as of now, as per I'm doing this presentation, nasa 20 months pa lang po ang company, to be exact. Alright? And ang focus natin dito ay wellness and digitalization. Diba? Alam naman natin, halos lahat online na diba? So yun po yung ina-adapt ng company ngayon. Alright? And here are some of the reasons why Live Good. So before mo isipin or sabihin na pare-pareho lang to sa ibang company na sinalihan mo or kumbaga baka na-invite ka na rin. Okay? So bigyan kitang reasons why Live Good. Number one, we have amazing products. Right? So later on mas madidiscover nyo kung bakit amazing, right? Kasi syempre sa quality, ayan, and may mga certifications din tayo. And not just that, hindi lang tayo amazing products, kundi incredible din yung ating prices. Yan. Kasi actually, marami namang amazing products out there. Pero ang tanong, kaya bang i-maintain? Ayun lang, di ba? So, mabigat sa bulsa in short. Pero dito, amazing products na incredible prices pa. So, ganun kaganda. Okay? Kasi this is not a traditional direct sales company. So, later on, mas malalaman nyo kung bakit naging mas incredible. And should I say, ngayon, sasabihin ko na sa inyo, wholesale yung ating pricing dito. And 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. That means na dito hindi ka pipilitin na bumili ng products every single month para lang makuha yung commission or para ma-maintain yung rank. Wala po tayong ganun, right? And number 5, meron po tayong 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee with our products. So, ganun po tayo ka-confident na yung products natin quality. Kasi sino ba namang hindi matinong company maglalagay dyan, di ba? So probably kung hindi magandang products, baka masauli lang yan lahat. Tama? Oh. So maganda dito kasi ganun tayo ka-confident with our products na within 90 days, pag yung nagustuhan yung products, nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, yan. So within 90 days upon purchase the product, pwede mong sauli yung lalagyan and no questions asked, ibabalik po sa iyo yung pera mo na pinangbili ng products. Alright? And number 6, number 1 business to join. Now, kung naghahanap ka ng isang business opportunity that you can do online through your social media, through your cell phone, okay, and your internet, well, look no further why andito na po yung company, right? Or opportunity. Okay? Kasi I could say literally we are number 1 business to join. Okay? So bakit ko po nasabi? So tingnan po natin yung track record ng company. So syempre pag sasali ka sa isang company, tingnan mo muna kung ano ba yung nagawa na ng isang kumpanya na yan. No? So number 1, you can visit Business for Home. So yung Business for Home para po yung parang Forbes magazine ng direct selling industry. Okay? Or direct selling companies. Where nandun po yung lahat ng mga companies, naka-record po the sales, no, the payout, lahat po, even the news Okay? And the best part ito, why? Sa Business for Home, we are ranked as a triple A. Okay? Triple A opportunity, ibig sabihin, isa sa mga ito yung pinaka malaking rank actually na binibigay para sa isang kumpanya. So that means na maganda talaga siyang pasukan. Profitable for all the members and talagang magbe-benefit po talaga yung mga sasali. Alright? So ganun siya ganda. No? And not just that, okay, nagkaroon po ng poll or voting for last year pa to actually of the most trusted direct sales company. O sabi pa nga dito, no need to believe what I say. Let's see what the people say. Right? And ito, yung direct selling news. So, ito siya, talagang kilala din to na isang company or talagang nag-news no with in the direct selling space and na-feature din po tayo. Okay? Live Good celebrates 1 million members. In how many months lang? 13 months. 'Di ba? Ganun tayo ka talagang nag-record break, no? Ayan. So, imagine mo, walang ibang company nakagawa ng ganun. Eh, ibig sabihin, kung bakit daming sumasali, kasi may kakaiba po talaga dito. Alright? Kasi di naman sasali yung tao, yung 1 million na yan, di ba? Kung wala lang, tama? So, ibig sabihin, sobrang may kakaiba dito and talagang sobrang marami nag-benefit, in short. Right? And not just that, on our first year, the good news is nag-payout po ang Live Good. Itong si Live Good ng magkano? 50 million USD. Right? Alam nyo ba sa ibang company, sales pa lang po yan nila. Yes, sales pa lang. Ito matindi kasi umabot na sila ng 5, even 10 years. Yan pa lang po yung sales nila. Pero dito, sa first year po natin, yan po ang ating payout. Guys, that is payout actually. Alright? So, ganun po ka ganda, 'di ba? So kung ikaw naghahanap ka ng isang profitable, yung generous sa isang kumpanya, hindi matatakot mag-payout, yung deserve mo. So look no further kasi andito na po si Live Good. Alright? Alright. And of course, before joining a company, dapat titingnan mo muna yung people behind the company, the corporate team. Kasi sa kanila po nakasalalay yung rise and fall of a company. Kasi mahirap naman yan, magbibigay ng effort, time, di ba? Mag-share ka sa ibang tao, tapos masira ka lang din, tama? Because of bad reputation of a company owner. Tama? So, syempre, dito we are proud to share with you, starting with our CEO, Ben Glinsky. Right? So, why live good? CEO pa lang natin, with over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. Right? So, ibig sabihin, I could say na veterano na po itong taong to sa pagpapatakbo ng negosyo at ganitong klaseng negosyo sa industry. Right? And I could say na alam niya po talaga yung papupuntahan, okay? And mga kailangan pa talagang i-improve, alright? And kailangan pang gawin ng isang kumpanya. Alright? Kasi marami na po siyang pinatakbong kumpanya. And kagaya ng sinabi ng video kanina, close to $1 billion na po ang na-payout niyang commission. Guys, close to $1 billion. Commission paid out in his previous companies. No? And masasabi ko nga na na he's the Elon Musk actually of the direct selling industry kasi nga sobrang binago niya po, right? Yung face ng direct selling industry. Okay? Through Live Good. So, very transparent. Maririnig nyo po siya sa ating Zoom call. Okay? And very hands-on. Alright? And talagang masabi kong genius eh. Genius yung niya, yung idea niya nung paggagawa nito. Later on, mas malalaman nyo kung bakit. Right? And kasama niya po dito ang ating Director of Field Development, si Nader Kazan. So, I could say na, icon na po siya in the world of business. And sobrang dami niya na pong natulungan. He has over 30 plus years of experience in this kind of business. Right? And actually, siya po yung nag-introduce kay Ben, ng ating CEO, sa ganitong industry. Right? So, nag-start po sila sa ganitong industry, 1990s pa po. Alright? So, combined po in the business, meron na po silang 50 plus years of experience. Kaya, kung naghahanap ka rin ng isang kumpanya na baka sabihin mo papraktisan ka lang, kasi may mga ganun eh. Di ba? Na kumita lang yung kumpanya, tatakbo na. Di ba? So dito, I could say na with their experience, alam na po talaga nila yung ginagawa nila. Okay? Paano sila magpatakbo ng isang successful na company. And of course, hindi lang tayo pagpapraktisan. No? Kaya hindi ka mangangamba. Kaya dito, pag maging part ka ni Live Good, magkakaroon ka ng confidence kasi sa owner pa lang, sold out ka na. Alright? Kasi nga, alam po nila yung ginagawa nila eh, veterano na. Kumbaga. And not just that, partnered pa tayo with the two product formulator and educator, si Doc Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Yan. So ito, hindi rin basta-basta. Bakit? Alam po nila yung nangyayari sa health and wellness industry. And sila mismo, ina-apply nila mismo yung tinuturo nila. Makikita nyo po talaga na sila mismo healthy. Di ba? Kasi may iba nagtuturo ng pagiging healthy, sila naman hindi healthy, di ba? Oh. Oh, not to offend di ba? Overweight, yung mga ganun. Pero sila talaga, they are so fit, no? Ayan, lahat po sila actually. Alright? Talagang makikita mo healthy at ina-apply nila yung tinuturo nila. Okay? So, hindi basta-basta kasi from our product for developer pa lang with doctorate in pharmacy, ayan, and degree in science and nutrition, and may background din of both natural health practitioner as well as pharmacist. No? So, alam niya yung mga pwedeng ilagay at hindi pwede na pwedeng makabuti at hindi makakabuti sa katawan. No? So, kumbaga sa products natin, sa quality pa lang, sobrang ganda po talaga. Right? Kasi hindi basta-basta yung nagpo-formulate. Ayan, alright. Okay, so ano bang goal natin? Simple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. Okay, simple but yet powerful. And right now, we have over 25 plus na life-changing products. Highest quality. Kasi from purest, most natural ingredients from the most pristine locations of the planet and world-class manufacturing facilities. Siyempre, made in the US. So, ano naman natin sa US, di ba, stick to sila in terms of quality. And lalo na pag certified by the GMP and USDA. Okay? And also, this is a lab tested for purity and potency. Right? Pero po tayong mga certifications. Actually, you can visit our website para makita nyo po. www.livegood.com. Okay? And, yun. Okay, so dito naman kung tinatanong mo if this is legal, okay, meron po tayong legalities and certifications. Right? So of course nasa Florida po kasi nasa Florida po ang ating warehouse and office, right? And soon po, syempre magkakaroon po tayo dito sa Pilipinas. Okay? But regardless, okay, kaya po natin mag-operate din po. Okay, dito sa Philippines. So ito po yung legalities natin kaya no worries, we are legit company. All right? And our products are also meron po tayong mga certifications, so that means na quality and organic yung mga products natin kasi dumaan po sa mga testing. Right? Yan. Even yung lalagyan ng products natin, no, yung mga canister, may mga test po yan. Alright? So, ganun po kaganda products natin. And we also have, of course, iba-iba naman pangangailangan natin, syempre. So, we have wellness for all. Okay? So, kung anong kailangan mo, pwede mong bilhin anytime, okay, and anywhere around the world. Okay, we have men's health, nutrition, women's health, skincare, body cleansing, anti-aging, immunity, weight management, and energy. So, paano ba mag-order ng products? You can order as a consumer or member. Consumer pay retail low prices. And lalo para member ka, you pay much lower prices. Kasi this is a what? This is a club membership. So later on, syempre mas i-discuss ko po yan sa inyo. Ayan. So ito po yung comparison ng ating members price and retail price. So ang maganda dito kasi members save up to 75% compared to products in other direct selling industries. Okay? Or company, should I say, no? Ayan. So, maganda ito. Like for example, itong ating multivitamins. Okay? Yung retail price ito is $14.95. Okay? Ayan. And pag nag-member ka, alam nyo magkano lang? Ayan, 500 plus lang. Hindi aabot ng 600. Ganon kalupit, no? Sa ibang company, magkano binebenta? 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 60 capsules. Ito, 9.95 lang. 60 capsules na. Ayan. So, hindi ko na po isa-isahin yan. And of course, marami pong benefits yan. And sobrang ganda. Itong coffee, naku, grabe. Kung talagang hirap ka, pasensya na, baka may kumakain dito, no? No, kung hirap kang dumumi. Ayan, ito talagang regular yung bowel movement mo as in. Ako, proven ko talaga. Alright? Itong magnesium, hirap ka rin matulog. Ayan. And not just that, maraming benefits to actually. Okay? Ayan, itong ating, ayan, CBD oil. So, as of now, nasa US. So, US pa lang po ito available. Ito ang ating D3K2. Ayan. So, ano to for good for ano to, bones and of course maraming benefits din po yan. Okay? Ayan. So, ito ang ating price comparison kasi sa quality, no questions na tayo kasi ano quality po talaga, no? Ayan, and we have also third-party certifications that can prove that, right? So, alam nyo ba itong essential oils, other companies, magkano nila binebenta? Umabot mo ng 209 to 252 USD. Ayun sa atin magkano? 6. Okay? Sa ibang company 6 din pero magkano lang 49.95. Ganun kalupit. Alright? Ganun katindi. O, ito ang ating greens. Good for 30 days. Sa ibang company, magkano nila binibenta? 70 to 100 USD. Sa atin, magkano? $18. Collagen. Sa iba binibenta, 70 to $80. Sa atin, 27 or around 28 USD. Sa iba, itong creatine plus HMB, magkano? 48 point, around 49, let's say, no? 65 USD. Sa atin magkano 19.95. Ganun kalupit. Alright? And itong sobrang na-appreciate ko, no, kung ikaw, naghahanap ka rin ng isang opportunity or isang company na, kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pero open in 200, in many countries, or should I say 200 plus countries, well, nandun na po si Live Good kasi available po tayo in over 200 plus countries. Yes. Ibig sabihin, magagawa natin negosyo, matatanggap natin yung products, and at the same time, matatanggap natin yung commission. Wow, grabe, no? Ganun kaganda. Alright? Unlike, ito yung sobrang na-appreciate ko kasi on our previous company, no? Kasi may experience na rin ako sa itong industry. Ang hirap po mag-ship ng product sa totoo lang. Okay? Ang matindi nun kasi may partner kami na nasa Middle East, kami pa po pinapag-asikaso ng legalities. Pero dito, pagka-launch mismo, December 13, 2022, open agad in 200 plus countries. Sabi ko, grabe na mind blown ako kasi yung ibang company, nag-open sila 1, 2, 3, 4 countries at a time lang. Every year. Pero ito, buong mundo inopen agad. Ay grabe talaga. Kaya ikaw, especially kung may experience ka na, kung naghanap ka rin naman ng isang opportunity or company, well, consider Live Good. Why? Ito talaga literally walang saturation. Okay? Hindi yan masasaturate kasi buong mundo 8 billion yung population. Let's say kalahati na lang dyan 4 billion yung adult. Di ba? Ganun kalaki. Di ba? Mauubos mo ba yan? Hindi. Di ba? Hindi mo mauubos yan. Di ba? Kaya malawak yung reach. Di ba? Ibig sabihin, talagang unlimited yung potential. Yung pwedeng mangyari sa business. Ayan. Eh, dito po yung mga sample ng ating mga partners globally. We have in US, in Vietnam, ayan, in South Africa, Thailand, Italy, China, India, ayan, Kazakhstan, Mongolia, ayan, in Canada, and many more. Especially, of course, ayan, dito rin sa Pilipinas, yun, no? Di ba? So, ganun kalupit, ganun ka pinag-usapan, ganun pinagkaguluhan itong company ito. Right? And ngayon, ano ba yung business model ng company? Okay? So, simplihan lang natin. Ayan ang business model? Subscription. Ayan. Ano ba yung subscription na to? Okay? Subscription business model are based on the idea of selling a product or service to receive monthly or yearly recurring subscription revenue. Right? In short, ang subscription po or club membership ay nagbabayad po tayo sa mga companies na nag-o-offer ng kanilang products or services. Okay? Para ma-enjoy natin yung products and services nila. Okay? Anong mga sample? Yan, familiar tayo, Amazon. Yan yung mga tao nagbabayad dyan para maka-enjoy ng mga free shipping. Yan, Amazon Prime, ayan, ano yan, kumbaga para makapanood ka ng maraming movies. Right? It's same with Netflix and Disney Plus. Nagbabayad yung mga tao dyan monthly para makapanood ng mga movies, tama? O, itong Sam's Club. And Costco. Pare-pareho po yan sila. Para magkaroon ka ng discount or even free shipping or mga exclusive perks and benefits, yung mga tao nagbabayad po dyan per year. Itong Rocket Car Wash kay Jason Derulo, yung mga tao nagbabayad dyan, papamember dyan monthly para unlimited car wash every month. O, di ba? O, sobrang ganda, tama. O, ito pa, Prime Water, Meralco, pamilyar tayo. O, PLDT, Converge, Globe. Nagbabayad yung tao dyan para Di ba? Ma-enjoy syempre yung benefits. Pamilyar tayo, SSS, GSIS. Nagbabayad dyan para in the future, di ba, magkaroon ng loan. Tama? Right? Yun po yung subscription. So, about subscription naman, yan. So, ito nga ay ibang example pa, no? Yan, sa atin dito, S&R, Landers, para makakuha ka ng discount. Di ba, nagbabayad dyan per year din. Ayan, 700 pesos. Itong gym, di ba, nagbabayad 850 to 3,000 para ma-enjoy yung facilities doon sa loob ng gym. Itong Amazon Prime naman ay Netflix. Yan, para maka-enjoy ka ng unlimited movies. Nagbabayad dyan monthly. Itong Costco para may discount ka doon sa loob ng store. Okay? Alam nyo ba that Netflix, magkano lang binabayaran? Magkano? 550 plus, tama, in pesos. Pero ang matindi, 260 plus million na ang subscribers. Alam nyo ba that ang kinita po or revenue, should I say, no, ng Netflix umabot ng 33 billion last year? Ang net profit po niya umabot ng magkano? 5.4 billion dollars. Magkano lang binabayaran ng tao? 550. Pero ang laki-laki na pala ng kinikita ng company. Yung company lang yung mayaman. Right? Itong Costco, 127 million members. 4.5 billion in revenue and membership fees. Right? Though these companies, maganda yung products nila and services, of course. Pero, you don't have what Live Good has. A membership that pays. Ayan. Papunta na tayo sa exciting part. Live Good versus other companies. Alright? So, other companies, ayan, itong S&R, ayan, Landers, Coaching, Fitness First, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Costco, lahat sila may products and services. Tama. So, they have great products and services. Kaso nga lang, walang income sila lahat. Okay? Ang maganda dito, bakit? Dito kay Live Good meron. Ayan. Alright. So, dito, you can be a consumer, you can be a member, or even affiliate, or part or owner, and shareholder. Wow, grabe, shareholder. Ayan, may-ari ka ba ng company? Ayan, so later on, mas malalaman nyo kung bakit. Ayan, at kung paano. So, ang tanong, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more? Highlight natin na, or more per month. Yan, sino gusto dito? Type me. Yan, so kung gusto mo, yan, for those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. Alright? So, how to become a Live Good member or affiliate? So, paano ba? Actually, meron tayong two options here. Option number 1, we have a monthly membership. Right? So, meron po tayong one-time affiliate fee na $40 and monthly membership fee na $9.95. That is $49.95 or around $2,950 or less. Right? And in our succeeding months, para ma-maintain yung membership natin or subscription, $9.95 na lang po ibabayaran natin. Okay, magkano yung peso? Mga around 580, 590. Right? More or less. Okay? So, meron naman tayong second option which is yearly. Same pa rin sa affiliate fee, $40. Tapos, dito naman, kasi yearly na to eh. Meron 99.95 na yearly fee. Membership fee. 139.95 lahat. 8,190 pesos. Yan. So, dito, nakasave ka po ng $20 or 2 months. Kasi yung 2 months dito, nilibre na po ng company sa'yo once you pay the yearly membership. Ayan. So, ganun siya kaganda. Okay? So ano ba naman yung yung benefits, I mean, pag naging Live Good member or affiliate. Okay? So dito, okay, you can have access to membership club. Right? So lahat po ng products and even services soon na i-release ng company, magkakaroon ka po ng access. Okay? And digital marketing products. So lahat dito, yung nasa online na meron company, you can use all of that. Especially this replicated website. Kasi dito hindi ka lang bibigyan ng isa. Not 2, not 3, but 7. Grabe, no? 7 replicated website. Talagang I could say, no, na value for money. No? Yung company nagbibigay talaga ng support, ng tools and systems. E dito, meron tayong free online training by Zoom. Okay? And of course, lifetime support. Ayan. And you can save up to 75% on our products compared to other companies. And we also have here, actually 8 na to, 8 ways to earn. Okay? So, dito naman, ang advantage. Here are the advantage, no? Ayan, mention ko lang. Inano ko na yung kahit 10 lang, no? So, we have product, dito, wala ng product package. Ibig sabihin, dito, hindi ka ipipilitin again na, magbenta agad ng products, no? Or even, bumili ng products. Okay? Kasi wala na itong product package. Kasi, hiwalay na po yung membership at package. Okay? And wala na ring overpricing ng products. Kasi dito, hindi na po pinag-isa yung products and membership. Hiwalay po sila. Okay? And at the same time, hindi na po pinagkakitaan masyado ng company yung mga products. Okay? And dito rin, wala nang left and right pairing. Hindi mo na kailangan mag left and right para kumita ka. Okay? Dito, as long as later on, mas malalaman nyo kung paano. Dito, once sa main enroll ka, kikita ka. And dito, wala nang monthly maintenance sa Unilevel. Yan. Ibig sabihin, again, hindi ka na dito i-require bumili ng products every month para ma-maintain mo yung rank mo at makuha yung commission mo. And of course, dito wala na ring fifth pair incentive. Okay? Dito sa company, dito sa Live Good is that lahat po dito pure income. And the best part ito kasi dito wala na ring limit ng encoding, unlimited in short yung pag-encode. Mag-encode ka hanggat sa gusto mo. Okay? Oh, mag-encode ka kasi dito hindi ka pipigil ng company. Alright? Oh, kasi dito wala na ring flash out. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka na matatakot kasi may iba na nag-hold ng income. Ayan, sa may mga experience dito, alam niyo yan. Di ba? Para kumita yung mga upline, mag-hold, di ba? No, kasi may limit of ano lang yan eh, limit of pair. 5 pairs, 7 pairs, 6 pairs. 'Di ba? Pag sumobra, back to zero. Mawawala yung pinaghirapan mo. 'Di ba? So wala na 'yan. Okay, in unexplained deductions, wala na rin 'yan. Multiple accounts and big package, wala na rin. Okay? Tinanggal na po yun ng company and ito, delayed payout, wala na rin 'yan. Okay, kasi ako personally, no, sa previous company namin, sobrang delay, no? Almost magpo 4 years kami dun. Grabe, hindi pa naayos talaga. Delay pa rin yung payout. Pero dito, hindi man on time, advance pa binibigay yung payout. Wow, ganun kaganda. Alright? And to tell you, here are some of the benefits din once na maging affiliate ka na. I could say na ano talaga, value for money. Kasi ito pa lang mga ano natin, landing pages and website. O meron tayong isang Live Good Company site. Okay? May pangalan mo yan sa taas. Okay? Nandun yung regarding sa about sa company owners, the products, and we have two Powerline landing page. We have English and Spanish. Wow, ganun kalupit, no? And we also have retail site. Okay? So sa retail site natin, of course, e-com and dropshipping ready na tayo. Open in 200 plus countries. Alright? And we also have two product site. Ayan. So, we're in itong product site natin, ito yung greens and reds. We're in, pwede natin i-share, right? And pag nag-order sila, company na yung mag-ship, magpapak, mangolekta ng bayad, ikaw, kaching-kaching na lang. Di ba? And we also have, ito, Live Good Clinic site, bagong-bago lang to. Okay, meron tayong mga FDA approved na mga, na mga drugs. Ayan, okay? O, ano po ito, kumbaga prescription medications actually, na nakakatulong actually sa mga gusto lose ng weight. Okay? So, actually, available pa lang po ito sa US as of the moment. Ayan. Okay? So, ganun po aganda. We also have trainings. Alright? Training schedules. And gaya ng sabi ko, we have 8 ways to earn here. So, weekly fast start, retail commissions, matching bonuses, matrix commissions, influencer, customer acquisition, diamond and crown diamond bonus pool. So, isa-isa po natin yan. Okay? So, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel and a force matrix. Ayan. So, dalawa na lang po. Okay? Unilevel and force matrix. So, paano ba to? Okay? Sa quick money or fast start, okay, quick money, ibig sabihin kung gusto mong mabilis, okay, kung gusto mong kumita agad, quick money po. Okay? So, the fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and pay the $49.95. Alright, so ibig sabihin, kalahati, 50% ng monthly and affiliate fee. Okay? Pag nag-monthly ka lang, di ba? $25 kada tao. And the best part ito kasi unlimited yung pwede mong sponsor. Tapos pag nag-rank up ka pa, ibig sabihin, pag nakapag-invite pa yung invite mo under you, okay, depending on your rank, kikita ka pa. Okay? Depending on your rank tapos by level. Ganun kaganda. Alright? So, ngayon, isipin mo, mahirap mag-enroll. Nako, tingnan mo na ang top 10 natin. Top 1, 2,510 personal enroll. Grabe, no? O, meron ditong 1,200, 11, 600, 550, 540. Grabe, no? Ganun kalupit. Alright? And ano ba yung rank qualification? So ito, I will not dive deep, okay, sa pag-explain talaga kasi meron naman tayong separate training about this one. Pero para may idea kayo, itong bronze, at least dalawa lang na enroll. And minimum na our average na kinikita dito ng bronze is 50 to 5,544 pesos. Alright? O yung silver, magkano? Ilang team? At least 20 na total team. So yung average na kinikita ng silver rank is 5,600 to 16,800. Itong gold naman, according to sa ating CEO, ha? Magkano yung gold? 28 to 224,000. Yung gold rank. Minimum of at least 100 na total team. Oh, hindi pa diyan nagtatapos, meron pa tayong platinum. Okay? Yung platinum naman, minimum of 1,000 to 8,000 yung kinikita. USD. That is 56,000 to 448. Oh, ilang team? At least 500 na total team. And up. Alright? Tandaan mo naman, minimum of 2,500 na active members. Right? And maganda sa Diamond kasi, grabe, life-changing income na rin. 336,000 to 2.2M yung kinikita dito. And di pa dyan nagtatapos, meron pa tayong Crown Diamond. Minimum of 50,000 na total team. Alright? And ang maganda ito kasi pag Crown Diamond, ito grabe. Magkano kinikita ng Crown? 2.8 to 4.4 million. Grabe. So, ganun kalupit. Okay? Oh. So, ngayon, ito naman yung next natin, itong retirement money. From the word retirement, matrix commissions. So, ito siya. Okay? Lahat tayo nalagay sa isang matrix. 2 by 15. So, ibig sabihin, ikaw, may frontline kang dalawa. Ikaw, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So, pag may nalalagay ng mga tao under you, what will happen pag nagsusubscribe sila every month, meron ka pong magkano? 0.25 cents or 14 pesos kada tao. Okay? So, ngayon, ang maganda kasi, pag nag-rank up ka, meron kang, additional pa na talagang dumudoble actually yung kita mo, yung maximum. Example, unrank, isa or walang na-refer, pwede siyang potential na kumita 118. Pero hindi ko sinasabi na second month, third month, hindi po. Pag mapuno po yung tao under dyan. Alright? No, itong bronze silver, 200 plus thousand. Gold platinum, 400 plus. Diamond naman, 950 plus thousand. So, ganun po. Kaya retirement po kasi ma-appreciate mo siya pagka tumagal in long term. Right? Kasi imagine mo 14 pesos kada tao lang under you nagsusubscribe. Yun yung kikitain mo, 'di ba? Kaya retirement money po talaga siya. Okay? And ito po yung sample no, yung paano siya nagwo-work. Example, ikaw, number of people dalawa sa first level. Kikitain mo 0.50. Yan, parang ganito yan, ikaw, first level mo dalawa, kikitain mo diyan 0.50 cents. Alright? Okay. So, pag nakapag-refer ka, let's say, ang mangyayari, lahat sila na sa left. Okay? Tapos right ulit. So, pag may apat ka na on your second level, $1. Second level, $2. 8 people. 16 people, $4. 32 people, $8. And so on. Right? Hanggang sa 15th level, 32,000 plus. 8,190. Yung pwede mong maximum kitain dyan sa 15th level. Ganun kalupit. Alright? Tapos ito naman yung wealthy money. Matching. Itong matching hindi to left and right na kailangan may left and right ka para kumita. Hindi po. Yung matching bonus, yung monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Okay? So, anong nangyari po dyan, simple lang. Kasi lahat tayo may matrix tama. Ikaw, yung na-refer mo may matrix. So, pag yung team mo, yung mga na-refer mo, nakapag-create ng team of subscribers, nagsusubscribe every month, okay? Kung magkano kinikita niya sa Matrix, meron kang 50%. Wow, grabe. Dito ako sobrang na mind blown. Pwede palang ganun, no? Kasi sa previous company ko, natulungan ko yung one of my directs actually, kumita ng malaki. Actually, 7 figures nga eh. Wala akong kalahati. Pero dito, tulungan mo lang, mga na-refer mo, dumami subscriber, meron kang kalahati sa kita niya. Oh. Alright? Oh, for example, ikaw to. Okay? Oh, si Mateo, kumita ng 10,000. Nakapag-rate ng mga subscriber eh. Maraming subscriber under sa kanya. 10,000. Magkano sa'yo? 5. Marie, 5,000. Magkano sa'yo? 2,500. Si Lucy, 15,000. Magkano sa'yo? 7,500. Arthur, 1,000. Sa'yo, 500. Si Robert, 20,000. Oh, 10,000 sa'yo. Okay? The more directs you have, the more you earn 50% from your matching bonus. To lahat total, magkano? 25,500. Ang matindi kasi unlimited. Unlimited. Ibig sabihin, 'pag mas marami ang na-refer, marami kang natulungan, kumita, nakapag-create ng maraming subscriber, 50% ka ng 50%. Grabe 'no? Oh, oh. So ito, sampulan natin 'no. Okay, ito sinampulan ko na mismo sa akin na. Sa per earnings ng isang Live Good affiliate. So ito actually this year lang, January. So ito, mga na-refer ko actually yan. Makita mo naman personal enrolled eh. Itong kapatid ko yan, in-enroll ng mama ko. Okay? O magkano kinita nila sa Matrix? Kasi nakapag-create ng mga subscriber eh. O ito si Coach Ryan, 52,800 kinita niya sa Matrix. Yan yung mama ko. Ayan, 36,268. Ito yung isang refer natin si Coach Jana actually. Alright, 40,401 kinita niya. Ito isang kapatid ko, kumita ng 17,557. Okay, ito matindi. Ilang taon pa lang siya that time. Alright, actually, ano na siya? 18 years old. Grabe, no? Okay, kasi natrabaho ko eh. Okay, natrabaho ko talaga. So, magkano yung matching ko? Oh, okay, Coach Ryan, kumita lang naman ng 26,000. Sa mama ko, 18,000. Isa sa mga direct ko, si Coach Jana, 8,000. Sa kapatid ko, magkano match ko? 4,000. And marami pa yan actually. Alright? Ganun po. So, pag mas marami ka dito natutulungan, mas marami kang natulungan kumita, mas marami kang matching, mas malaki yung pwede mong kitain sa match. Ganun katindi. Alright? Sample lang ko kayo. Pag dito, kung seryoso ka, kung tatrabaho ka talaga, we suggest, idamay mo na kahit dalawang family member mo. Kahit dalawa lang. Kasi darating yung time, pagka mapuno yan, okay, walang time frame, it could take 3, 5, or even 10 years. Pag mapuno yan, you as bronze, pwede kang kumita maximum 4,095.50. Tapos yung dalawang family member mo, pwede silang kumita ng 2,000 plus USD. Kaya combine silang dalawa sa matrix, 4,095. And syempre, dahil may match ka sa kanila, 2,047.50 yung kikitain mo sa kanilang dalawa. So magkano kita mo? All in all, 500,000 monthly income. Yes, that is month after month, after month, after month, after month. Pwede na ba? Pwedeng pwede. Di ba? Kahit pa actually umabot yun ng 10 or even 15 years, actually sulit pa rin yan. Kasi iba-iba nga 40 years na, di ba? Magkano pa rin yung kinikita. Pero ito, di ba? Pagka na-investan mo talaga ng time, no? Magsusubscribe ka religiously, right? In your family, darating yung time, pwede talaga yung kitain. Pero why settle sa dalawa? Kung pwede ka nung mas marami pa na syempre ma-sharean at syempre ma-bless din, no? Let's say nakapag-direct ka ng 20. So ito hindi naman necessarily talaga na tamad. Pero kumbaga sabihin na lang natin na busy, alright? Let's say umabot ang time, no? It could take up to 5, 10, or even 15 years, no? Napuno yung matrix nila, lahat sila. So sila kumikita ng 2,047.50 USD. Magkano say 1,000 plus USD. So all in all, kikitain mo sa kanila lahat kasi match ka ng match eh. Kumikita sila eh. 20,475 USD. Magkano yan? That is 1.1 million monthly income. That is month after month after month after month. No? Ganon kalupit. Grabe, no? No. Di ba? Okay? Ito, bigyan ko kayo ng sample. Isa sa mga affiliates, I don't know kung kanino to. Okay, yung income niya sa matrix and matching. So, nung time na to, yung gold pa lang siya, alright, this was last year, right? Nung gold pa lang siya, yan, kita niya nung matrix and matching, 307.68 USD. Magkano? 17,295. Nung gold siya. Ito matindi kasi, binilisan niya. Nag-platinum. Ito nag-peak yung talaga yung income niya. Alam mo magkano? Yan, this year lang din to, nag 3.5. That is 200 plus thousand pesos. Ang laki ng pinagkaiba, di ba? Okay? Sabihin, talagang rank up is the key. Rank up is the key. Right? If you want big, yan, talagang kailangan marami ka rin tulungan na kumita. Grabe, no? Ganun katindi. Ito naman, retail commissions. Okay? Ito naman, kumbaga, meron kang 50% bonus on the difference between the member price and retail price. For example, yung product natin worth, let's say na $10, no? Meron patong na $4. So, yung $4 na yun, o kumbaga, pag nakabenta ka doon na $14 na amount, di ba may patong na 4? So, mangyayari, hati-hati kayo. Okay? $2 sa'yo, $2 sa company. Tapos, ganun din, parang weekly fast start, pag nag-rank up ka, nakabenta yung team mo sa mga customer, meron ka rin percentage. Alright? So, ganun lang. Tapos, ito namang influencer bonuses, yan, pag meron kang followers, tapos influencer ka, ayan. So, pag ito siya, na-hit mo yung quota, okay? Okay, let's say ito, 50,000 USD. 'Di ba kanina sa $14 na ano na product, 'di ba yung let's say $4 yung patong, 'di ba tutok, 'di ba? Hati-hati lang. Pero ito, pag na-hit mo yung quota, yung $4 pwede ibigay ng company buo sa iyo. Ganun kalupit. Oh, magkano 'yan, 'di ba? Ilang ilang $40 'yan. Let's say no sa 50,000, no. Parang ganun. Oh, ganun kaganda. Okay, pag influencer ka. Yan. Pero actually, kahit di ka naman influencer, basta hit mo lang quota na yan. Yan, ibibigay ng company sa'yo. Alright? Tapos ito yung mas nakaka-excite. Piece of the pie money. Right? The diamond bonus pool. Kasi dito, 2% of total sales from all membership and product sales is divided equally among all diamonds. So, let's say, nagkaroon po ng sales yung company na 15M USD. Times 2%, so 300,000 lahat. So, let's say meron palang 60 diamonds, pero actually, mga 115 na po plus yung diamonds. So, lahat ng diamonds may 5,000. On top, 5,000 USD on top sa mga kinikita nila kanina ha. Iba pa yun. Iba pa to. Grabe talaga. No? O, ito, sampulan natin. No? So, dito, patunay lang po ito na dito, hindi po naunahan. Okay? Sabi mo na, mga ano lang kumikita. Hindi po. Diba? Kasi ito, ako'y nauna. Okay? Ito, na-refer ko lang din. Alright? Na-refer ko lang din and naniwala talagang trabaho. Sineryoso talaga. Oh, meet Coach Ryan Rosales. Kaya sa mga na invite natin dito, nag-diamond po siya, nauna po siya mag-diamond sa akin. Di ba? Walang kaso yun. Mas masaya ako doon, di ba? Hmm. O, magkano kinikita niya? O, to 3 months. O, last year and this year lang. Alright? Ito matindi. Kung ito total natin yan, alam mo magkano? That is 16,000 plus USD. Almost 1M. Imagine mo ito, 6 months ko. 6 months ko nakita sa kanya, 3 months lang. Grabe, no? Ganon kalupit. 'Di ba? Kaya talaga I could say life-changing, especially pag nag-hit tayo ng diamond. Kaya let's all go for diamond. Alright? And ito yung pwedeng mangyari din sa iyo. Once na talagang ginawa mo rin to. Inaral mo at ginawa to. Alright? Ayan. Tapos di pa yung nagtatapos, meron pa tayong rich and famous money, the Crown Diamond Bonus Pool. Kanina naman is 2%, right? Dito naman is 0.5%. And of total sales from all membership and product sales divided equally among all Crown Diamonds. Right? So, dito naman is, let's say 15M USD. Right? 15M USD yung sales pa rin times 0.5%. So, all in all, 75,000 USD. So, as of now, actually, tatlo na po yung Crown Diamond. Pero, for example purposes lang. So, let's say dalawa pa lang. Long Crown Diamond na yun, maghahati ng 37.5 USD. Sampulan natin. Ito, sample earning ng Crown Diamond. 'Di ba? Itong pinakauna. First Crown Diamond si Tim Miller. Alright? So, siya po naka-achieve po ng first 7 figures in US dollar in just 13 months. Yes, you heard it right. 13 months. Okay? And isa din sa mga pinakamalaking kinita niya. Ayan. Okay? Umabot po ng 80,000 USD. That is 4.4 million pesos. Ganon kalaki. Grabe, no? And that is our future. Alright? Oh, ganun kalupit. Alright? So, ito pa, nagdagdag pa yung company pa na kontento. Customer acquisition bonuses. Ito, pag when your direct members place their first product order, 10% of that order is paid out as customer acquisition bonus. Parang weekly fast start lang din. Pag nag-rank up ka, tapos nag-order yung team mo under you, ayan, meron kang kikitain na certain percentage. Ayan. And ito po yung mga kumita naturally. And of course, isa na rin po tayo dito. Talagang kumita din kahit paano. Okay? And some of these earnings actually hindi na po updated. Okay? So, bakit ko po sinishare din sa inyo? Kasi para makita mo rin na talaga dito, pwedeng magkaroon ng result. Okay? Ganun kaganda. And right now, nasa 1.5 million paid members na po tayo. Grabe, indeed, the fastest growing MLM or direct sales company in the industry this year, 2024, and in the years to come. Alright? And to tell you, nasa tip of the iceberg pa lang po tayo. 1.5 million, tip of the iceberg pa lang po yun. Okay? And even yung first 5 million subscribers, it's only tip of the iceberg. Kasi vision natin, 20 to 30 million subscribers will be joining in 10 to 20 years. Yes. And our projection, we will have 3 to 5 million subscribers before the year ends, this December 2024. So right now, I want to remind you, no? Kung talagang nakikita mo, nakikita namin, gawin mo na agad. Huwag ka na mag-aksay ng panahon. Right? Kung iniisip mo rin naman na baka, wala ka na, 'di ba? So ano pang mawawala sa iyo kung walang-wala ka na? Tama? You have to try. Ang buhay subok-subok lang. Hindi mo malalaman yung isang bagay kung para sa iyo kung hindi ka magta-try. You just have to try. And magkano lang naman? Less than 3,000, my goodness, baka mas mahal pa yung cellphone na hawak mo ngayon. Tama? Kasi we believe this plane of opportunity will surely fly. Parang train to, guys. Parang train to. Si Live Good parang train. Di ba alam natin yung train? Di ba? Dadaan, bubukas yung pinto, sasakay ka hindi, magsasara yung pinto, aandar, tama. Pero ito, hindi to ordinary train. This is a bullet train. Right? Magnetic levitation train. Right? I could say. Yung Shanghai Maglev. Shanghai Maglev, one of the fastest or based on my research, no, fastest train in the world. Kasi operated siya by magnetic levitation. Para siyang lumulutang na lang talaga. Kaya ang bilis. Right? Ang bilis ng takbo. Ganon din si Live Good. Di ba? Pipikit ka, di ba? 1.5. Pag dilat mo, 2M na. Di ba? Pipikit ka ulit, idilat ka, 3M, 4M, 5M, 10M, 20, 30, 40, even 50 or 100 million members or subscribers. Darating tayo dyan. No? So, what's my point? Kasi in the future, dalawang pwede mong sabihin. Buti na lang or sayang. Ano mas gusto mo? 'Di ba? Buti na lang ginawa mo 'to, 'di ba? Yung 3,000 mo, 'di ba? 'Di ba yung sumubok ka? Oh, kahit paano kumikita ka. Inaral mo at ginawa mo eh. Or sayang, sayang. Yung kinikita at resulta nila, dapat kinikita at resulta ko na din. Oh, anong gusto mo? Okay? I'm not saying this one para convince ka kasi at the end of the day, ikaw pa rin mag-convince. But, ito lang masasabi ko, gawin mo man to o hindi, mas dadami yung members dito. Mas marami yung kikita, mas marami mababago yung buhay. Ang tanong, kumusta ka? Right? Kumusta ka? May pagbabago pa rin ba sa buhay mo? Ayan. So, decide now. You have to decide. Kung nagpe-pray ka man ng opportunity, baka ito na yun. Baka ito na yun. You have to take action. You have to take action. Kasi pag nag-take action ka, malay mo. 'Di ba? Oh, malay mo. 'Di ba? Ito na yung pwedeng magbago rin ang buhay mo. Kagaya ng nangyari din sa marami sa amin dito. Alright? Ayan. So, here are the top 5 reasons why you should join Live Good. Okay? Number 1, okay, again, nasa pillar stage pa lang tayo, nasa first 2 years. Okay, we just officially launched globally. No? So, ibig sabihin, kagaya ng term namin, no, nagpapainit pa lang ng makina. Hindi pa tayo lumilipad. Actually, hindi pa. Nagpapainit pa lang ng makina. Yung eroplano. No? Kaya, maganda timing. Okay? Kung wala pang masyadong nakakilala about Live Good sa lugar nyo, nako, ikaw, unahan na. Or baka mauna pa yung iba mag-market dyan. No? And number 2, high quality and very affordable health products. So, discuss ko na sa inyo kanina. And not just that, in the future, we will have everything actually. Everything. You mentioned it. Wellness, travel, ayan, household, personal growth, skincare, right? Even solar panel, appliances, lahat ng pwedeng mo imagine. High quality but very affordable. And many more. Alright? And number 3, marketing system, tools, and trainings. Almost everything is provided. Yung ano pa nga lang, yung mga replicated website, grabe, ang mamahal nun. Sa totoo lang, ang mahal nun. Pero kasama na yun sa binabayaran nating membership. Ganun katindi. Saan ka nakitang 3,000? Yung ano mo, yung reach mo global. 200 plus countries. Sa atin, ano bang magagawang negosyo 3,000? Diba? Benta ng ice. O yung eyes mo ba makakapunta sa US, sa Canada, 'di ba? Sa Europe, 'di ba? Hindi. Pero with the right vehicle, you can reach, okay? You can reach globally, especially to sa Live Good. Okay? Oh. And simple, powerful, lucrative, and I could say very generous compensation plan. No? Kasi sobrang dami kumita. Imagine mo 50 million USD in the first year payout, 'di ba? So hindi takot yung company mag-payout, mag-share, no? Magbigay, mag-reward, no? Sa mga deserving talagang kailangan kumita, no? Ganun kaganda. Okay? And of course, successful, fun, and winning team. So naghahanap ka ng team, ayan, or fun, of course, na winning talagang ipupush ka mag-succeed, right? You are at the right team, especially here in DMW. Alright? So ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? You want to become an affiliate member, a member, or retail customer? Okay? So if I were you, become an A. Ayan, okay, para syempre, ma-maximize mo yung time. So ito, I'll leave you with this one verse. Sabi dito sa Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. Alright? Kung ikaw, no, you've been praying for an opportunity and di mo alam kung ano yung para sa'yo, marami nag-aalok sa'yo, yan, or lito ka na, di mo alam, baka ito na, nandito ka na. 'Di ba? Oh, sundan mo yung puso mo, right? And do this. Do live good. And literally, live good. Alright? So, again, I'm reminding you, faith without work is dead. So, kahit pinakita sa'yo, kung di ka magte-take action, it's useless. Again, it's useless. Kaya you have to take action. ASAP. Okay? ASAP. ASAP. Okay? Because success loves speed. Right? So with that, thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you. Let them know if you're an A, B, or C. So maraming salamat and thank you so much for tuning in and staying with me until the end. Hopefully that you found value sa pakikinig sa akin and natulungan kita na makapag-decide na gawin ito and mag-join, okay,